See, there's like a fine mark right there, which I think we can get out because that was just from dust. And so you have to use these exact pads because they really get into the pores without scratching the slab itself. You just got to use some elbow grease, and then see, it's gone. So those are the kind of things that you can't usually see with your eye, but it really here again on the edge, just getting it all out. And it's really just using the right product in this sponge to get it out. There's more down here we can get out. And I recommend these when you're selling the slabs to tell your homeowners, hey, you know, get these Dobie scrub pads, get Barkeeper's Friend, and maintain your countertop pretty easily. So there's some things where it's actually like it's in the slab, in the veining itself. Like this little black mark, I think I could work out some of it, but I think it's actually in the slab itself. So those are my tips and tricks. Thanks, guys.